If your iPhone suddenly shows a weak security warning next to your Wi-Fi network, don't panic. Your internet isn't broken and your phone isn't damaged. But this is something you should fix, especially if this is your home Wi-Fi. Let me explain what this warning means and exactly how to fix it. Hey everyone, this is Abdul. Welcome back to the channel. So first, what does weak security actually mean? It means your Wi-Fi router is using an old security method. Your iPhone can still connect, but the connection is less protected than it should be. Apple shows this warning to let you know that your Wi-Fi encryption is outdated and easier for others to break into. Now let me show you how to fix it properly, and this fix is done on your router, not on the iPhone itself. First, open settings on your iPhone, tap Wi-Fi, find your connected Wi-Fi network and tap the small I icon next to it. On this screen, look for the router. You'll see an IP address there. Press and hold it, then tap copy. Now open Safari or any other browser, tap the address bar, paste the router IP address and hit go. This opens your router's setting page. You'll now be asked to log in. For many routers, the default login is admin as the username and admin as the password. If that doesn't work, which happened in my case as well, look at the back or bottom of your router. The correct username and password are usually printed on the label there. Once you are logged in, look for wireless settings, Wi-Fi settings or security settings. In my case, it was called WLAN. So if you see WLAN, tap on that. Inside WLAN section, look for authentication mode. This is where your Wi-Fi security type is set. Now this is the important part. Tap authentication mode and change it to one of these options. WPA3 personal, WPA2 personal with AES, or WPA2 and WPA3 mixed mode. Any of these are safe and recommended. Make sure you do not select WEP, WPA or WPA2 with TKIP. These are outdated and are the main reasons your iPhone shows the weak security warning. After changing the setting, save the changes and restart your router. Once the router is back on, go to your iPhone, turn Wi-Fi off, then turn it back on and reconnect to your network, and the weak security warning should be gone. Quick note before we finish, if this warning appears on public Wi-Fi, hotel Wi-Fi or office Wi-Fi, you usually can't fix it because you don't control the router. That's completely normal. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel as it really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.